Yes! I cannot believe how close we were to missing this train in a beat.
Oh, it's pretty close.
Oh, there's a dip in that there.
Oh, wow. There is. A little bit of a hump there,
Can't derail.
Nah.
Where's the end? This is so massive! Angle to mare. What does angle to mare mean?
I don't know.
Uh-oh, there's a dip in the track. Oh, there's the end already! Tabo! Tabo!
What is happening?
I don't know what Tabo means.
What are you yelling at for?
Because I need to know.
Well, what's some coal spilled out?
Oh no! It's gonna get onto the crossing!
Oh, it looks like paint. Top speed at 35 miles an hour.
108 cars and 3 engines.